Manila Overseas Press Club Chairman Tony Lopez.
I'm Tony Lopez. I'm the chairman of the Manila Overseas Press Club, the first and most prestigious in Asia. At the same time, I'm also the publisher, editor, and CEO of Business Asia Philippines, the largest weekly business magazine. And I also write a column for the Philippine Star. Ito po ay talagang napaka-importante sa ating lahat, personally and for the community and for the country and people. Yan nga ang challenges sa amin, kasi ngayon, basic rules of journalism, you must seek the truth, no? Truth shall make you free. Therefore, truth is about freedom. You cannot have freedom without truth. So kung peke, that is a denial of freedom. Basic civil liberties, freedom of the press, freedom to information, freedom of the people to seek redress for grievances, and freedom of the people to peaceably assemble to air their grievances. Kasi in the age of disinformation, artificial intelligence, hindi ka subscriber sa katotohanan, hindi ka magtatagal sa negosyo ito, sa profession ito. Kasi ang aming profession po of journalism, yan ang isa sa pinakamahirap at dangerous sa mundo. Ang masasabi ko lang sa ating mga kababayan, sa aming mga our readers, our audience, ang aming mga followers, subscribers, lagi po niyong hanapin ang katotohanan. Kasi sabi nga, the right path to freedom is the truth. At marami pong salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa aming mga media people. Kasi po, very dangerous ang aming profession. Lagi kami hinaharas ng gobyerno, lagi kami hinaharas ng mga terrorists, at lagi kami hinaharas ng mga kalaban ng katotohanan.